don't like my engines higher, sparking flames all times here. Posse.
Hey, what's going on YouTube? I got a super special shoe for you guys here today. This is a shoe I've been super excited to check out, and it's one that came out last month. This is the Seldome Galaxy in the white colorway. These MSRP at $130, which is the price that I got them for on Puma.com. So let's dive right into it. First off, the box is just a plain Puma box, nothing special here, and let's get her open. And there she is. As you can probably see, this is the reason I bought it. I love the shine on the sole here. It really makes the shoe stand out. It's super unique and you really don't see this on many other shoes out there. So let's get both of these out here. Boom, there they are. Let's talk about the materials it's made out of really quick. The shoe has a thick mesh upper with textile and leather overlays. According to Puma, the midsole is made out of an IM EVA foam, which is an injected molded EVA, and on the bottom it's just that plain rubber. The technology that these incorporate is Puma's cell technology, which for those who don't know is a polyurethane elastomer configured in a pattern of interlocked hexagonal cells, and it was originally released in the 90s. There are a couple versions of this tech like the Cell Venom and the Cell Endura, with the Seldome, this one being the newest iteration. Moving on to interesting features of the shoe. On the tongue here we have a TPU dome badge giving us some nice hits of red that match that back pull tab, which is also dome branded. Back up here we have some nice contrast lining, and it's got that hexagonal pattern which matches the tech of the shoe. On both sides of the shoe we got the Puma force strip, which is a bit straighter than usual because of the angle here. It also features a nice strip here by the toe area that is reflective. The Puma logo on the back is also reflective, so that's nice. The shoe does feature a basic removable insole with a nice hexagonal pattern. Then of course we have the main feature of the shoe. Puma describes it as an iridescent bubble that houses the cell tech. You get the full spectrum of colors here, and it goes all the way to the bottom of the shoe, and it takes out about half the shoe. We have two visible areas here that show off the cell tech. I'm not sure if the tech is used on the whole bottom of the shoe or if it's just on the heel and the mid area, but regardless there are 11 cells on the bottom. We do have a nice purple one here, which I thought was a nice little detail, and we also have the Puma logo, which is kind of hidden nicely in one of these cells. Up top here we have the cell logo, which is surrounded by a nice hexagonal pattern. Overall though, this is a super well put together shoe. I love the color scheme on this. It's white, black, and it's got hits of gray, red, and of course you have the whole rainbow on the iridescent bubble. Also really love the mixture of patterns here and materials on the shoe. It looks super space age and alien at the same time, hence the Galaxy name. The black version of the shoe came out on March 14th, so I might check that one out. Anyways, that's pretty much all you guys need to know about this shoe. Let's get these on feet. Real quick guys, I wanted to address the iridescent part of the shoe, or non-iridescent I should say. Alright babe, can you explain to me why these are iridescent? Or not iridescent I should say?
It's because hollow is multiple colors like that, like a rainbow. Iridescent is only certain type of color with different shades.
So Puma's messing up by calling these iridescent.
Yeah.
Right?
Those are hollow.
So yeah, she's absolutely right. It's not iridescent, it's holographic. I didn't even notice it until she mentioned it, and then I went back and compared the pictures on the website to my shoe, and they did not match up. So Puma, please fix your shoe. Either release an actual iridescent version of it, or call it holographic and change the pictures, because it's totally not iridescent. Overall though, I do like the shoe. It's comfortable and it fits true to size. I wore these shoes all day to go run some errands and I had no issues. Because of the soles, it feels a bit segmented, but it's not something that was super distracting to me and I didn't really mind it. The opening of the shoe has tons of padding, so it felt really good around the ankles and it was a breeze to put on. That's pretty much going to be it for me, guys. Enjoy the rest of the on feet. I have some night footage in there as well that makes the hollow part really stand out. Make sure to like and subscribe if you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys in the next one.